Happy World Coconut Day. Did you know coconuts contain healthy fats which are essential for our body? They help in brain function, giving you energy and keeping your skin healthy. They are rich in magnesium and potassium, key for a healthy heart and hydration. So here's a quick, easy peasy 5-minute recipe that you must try: the coconut milk, oats and chia seed pudding. We need coconut milk, oats with dry fruits, dates and chia seeds. In a bowl, add 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and mix nicely so that they don't stick together. Now to this mixture, add half a cup of oats with dry fruits and mix well. Now add 3 de-seeded dates. Your coconut milk chia pudding is ready. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats and vitamins, and chia seeds and oats are a great source of protein and fiber. Together, they make up a super nutritious and tasty combo which helps to boost your energy, and you can have it as a snack or a breakfast item. This Nutrition Week we'll be talking about all things nutritious. More insightful tips coming your way, so stay tuned.